Looking at comparing scaling 3.3, we're going to be looking at unit rates, and this is some very applicable information. Please make sure that you look at unit rates and how they apply to your life, because we're going to use them to make decisions. A unit rate is a rate where the second label is 1 unit. That may not mean anything to you. Hopefully it should, though. But these are the rates. When you see 45 miles per hour, that's talking about 1 hour. When you see I eat 20 cookies per minute, that's talking about 1 minute. And I use 4 pencils per class, that's talking about 1 class. So all of these are unit rates, where it's talking about a rate label where the second label, hour, minute, and class, is 1 unit. All right, let's look at these. In order for us to calculate the unit rates, I want to figure out the price per CD. So I'm going to divide by the CDs, by the number of CDs. So $49.95 divided by 5, $65.80 divided by 7. Make sure not to divide them the wrong way. So on your calculators, take those. We'll see what we get. So after we calculate that, Music City here, $49.95 divided by 5, that gave me $9.99. And then for CD World, we had 9.4. That actually, as a dollar, is $9.40. And we're going to put per CD. Please put the per CD. You can put that little slash mark to say per CD. For each store, write an equation. By the way, this was the correct end. Which store has the lowest price per CD? For each store, write an equation, a rule that you can use to calculate the cost. Okay, so we're going back to equations here. If I were to build these equations, it would be the cost, C, equals $9.99 times N. So if I want to find 2, 3, 10, I would just replace that for N, just like we did with variables and patterns, and the same with CD World, $9.40 times N, building that equation. Now that we have these equations, what we can do is we can figure out this right here. We can take these number of CDs and figure out how much we would actually be spending. Use these equations to fill in this table right here for Music City and CD World. Do that right now. If you get the chance, I want you to try these two out. On the back of the handout, use the equations you just wrote for question B. Write new equations to include 5% sales tax. I'm going to send you a video that actually explains that, how to find out sales tax, so that you can refer to that. And then D, suppose a website sells for $8.99 per disc. There is no tax, but there is a $5 shipping charge. I want you to write an equation, but then I want you to go back to your table and find out when it would be best to shop at the website and when it would be best to shop at the stores. So find that information out. Try that. Watch this video, and then maybe you can solve for this question. Otherwise, that's all we're going to learn for today. Again, your task is to fill this out and then make an attempt on question D. Watch this video if you are looking for an advance. Have a great day.